This is Ms. Leon, and we have a quick Flipgrid refresher for you. First, make sure you have the app installed on your iPad. If you don't see it, go to the catalog and download it from the list of apps there. If you're not sure how to do this, message me or Mr. Wynn for some help. If you do have the Flipgrid app, you're going to tap the app and you'll get a welcome back and enter join code. The join codes are in the assignment that I sent you. Once you're logged in, you will see that it has got your information there and some directions. So here on the left where you see opposite stitch, there's your directions. So this is only 1.5 minutes, and this is the information that I want from you. You'll see that there's an example there for you. I added some effects to the selfie that I took at the end. You are going to tap record a response. And now here you are. So you have some options down at the bottom. One of the options says options. And it will give you an option to upload a clip. One of the ones that's cool that I really like is in the middle. It gives you notes. So directions from me will pop up while you're looking at yourself when practicing. The middle button, that's the red camera. That's going to be how you record yourself. And all the way on the right, you see a little wand and it says effects. This is where you can choose a filter, a frame. You can choose an emoji. These are fine, but I ask that you don't completely cover your face because then I don't know who you are. Okay. So as you're continuing, these are fine. Please don't use the filter that pixelates you because again, you're trying to introduce yourself to me and not hide yourself from me. I'm the only person who's going to see this particular set of Flipgrids. So use it as an opportunity to get to know me and ask questions. And it's only 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I believe you can do this. You'll see it down here posted, and then we will continue and move right along with our day. Happy working. I think you're going to be great at this.